This is my family house for 300 years. This is Villa Il Leccio, just 30 minutes out from Florence in a beautiful Chianti site. I'm very proud of this place because this place has been in my family from the end of 1700. We're very, very proud we can still keep the house in our family, and we hope we can still keep it for the new generations to come. Since Trafalgar has been coming here 10 years ago, they really changed our lives. We are farmers, so we produce wine, olive oil, and this really helped me, the whole family, and my brother, who's the one looking after our land. We are very grateful for the contribution that Trafalgar made to our family. Really helped us to save this place, and also in sharing our history and meeting very nice people. I see they're smiling and so happy. Trafalgar guests are very special people.